Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying the Indian Healing Clay Mask in my hair. So if you want to see how that goes, just keep on watching. Also, I just wanted to show you my hair from a combo I just tried. This is day 8, so be on the lookout for that video. But before anything else, like and subscribe. Jumping right into it, you're gonna of course need the Aztec Indian Clay. I got mine from Whole Foods, but you can get it on Amazon as well. The next thing is raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. You can just use regular vinegar, but this one has more nutrients, especially if it has the mother in it. And the last thing you will need is a non-metal bowl and spoon, because apparently if you use any metal with this clay, it takes away its benefits. So first I'm just going to pour the clay in my bowl. I'm not really sure how much clay I need since I've never done this, but I'm really just going to guess and hope I have enough. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour in my apple cider vinegar. Start off with a little bit at first, and you can always add more from there. So it definitely wasn't enough apple cider vinegar, so I'm just going to add a little bit more and see what happens. The consistency we're aiming for is like a pancake batter consistency, so I'm just going to add more and see. Okay guys, so I'm done mixing and this is the exact consistency we want, but let's get into it. Okay, so now that the mask is all mixed up, I'm just gonna go and wet my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just wet my hair. This is what it's looking like. It's still pretty defined just because I wet it. I didn't like detangle it or anything. And now I'm just gonna go and put that mask in. I'm gonna take like this much. I know you guys see that definition. It feels really good. It's like really softening. Wow. Are you kidding me right now? I look like an emo person, but look at this definition. Screw you, Mom. I'm not going to school. Ugh. It's clumping all of my curls together. I used about almost all of it. I'll probably use it on my face or something. If you have leftover, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes and then I'll come back. Okay, so I just finished washing it out. Look at my hair, it's so shiny. And you guys know what my hair looks like after I'm finished like detangling it and like washing it. It never has this much definition. It's so shiny. I really do recommend this if you need to like clarify your hair, if you have buildup or you just want more definition and shine. I really recommend this. Look at my hair, guys. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far into the video, you might as well check out my other videos. We could watch that one, or you could subscribe and watch all of them. And you could be up to date with any new videos that come out.